hand and straighten it for me. Good. And tell me what you noticed today.
Very tight, right through here.
Okay.
Pulling a little at the top.
Okay.
But again, most of the problem is right in here.
Okay.
It's puffy.
And so, I remember our conversation, but just remind me for the purposes of talking today, a couple times, the last few times I've treated Oh gosh, that does look really great, doesn't it? Oh, sweet, sweet. That's very sweet. The truth is in the work. It really is. Oh, it just makes life sweet, doesn't it?